Welcome to Bonnie Studios.
A. Make a fist with your dominant hand, with your thumb resting on your fingers. B. Extend all fingers of your dominant hand and tuck your thumb into your palm. C. Hold your dominant hand in a C shape with your thumb and fingers touching. D. Point your index finger straight up with your thumb extended outward. E. Extend all fingers of your dominant hand and spread them apart. F. Make a fist with your dominant hand, but extend your index finger straight out. G. Make a fist with your dominant hand and tuck your thumb under your fingers. H. Hold your dominant hand in a flat H shape with all fingers together and extended. I. Point your index finger straight up. J. Hold your hand in a J shape with your index finger curved like a hook. K. Make a fist with your dominant hand, but extend your index and middle fingers straight out. L. Hold your thumb and index finger together in an L shape. M. Tap your thumb against the tips of your index and middle fingers. N. Hold your dominant hand in an N shape, with your thumb and index finger touching at the tips. O. Hold your hand in a circle shape, with all fingers touching the thumb. P. Make a fist with your dominant hand and extend your pinky finger straight out. Q. Make a fist with your dominant hand and extend your index and pinky fingers straight out. R. Hold your dominant hand in an R shape with your index and middle fingers crossed. S. Hold your dominant hand in an S shape with your index and pinky fingers extended and slightly curved. T. Make a fist with your dominant hand and extend your thumb straight out. U. Hold your hand in a U shape with your index and middle fingers touching your thumb. V. Hold your hand in a V shape with your index and middle fingers extended and separated. W. Hold your hand in a W shape with your thumb, index and pinky fingers extended and separated. X. Cross your index and middle fingers. Y. Hold your hand in a Y shape with your thumb and pinky fingers extended and your index finger curved. Z. Hold your dominant hand in a Z shape with your index and middle fingers extended and separated.